Good morning, YouTube. Hope everything's off to a fine start at your house this morning. Today is my first day back full-time in my business. Winter got so bad that I had to take a job, pay the bills, and then 5 months later, I realized that, hey, that's all I'm doing is paying the bills. Guys, you guys out there that are working for yourselves, you know what I'm talking about. There's a dead season and there's a slow season. The fall and winter is very difficult. You gotta be prepared for it. I'm not gonna be prepared for it this winter either. But I'm going to start pursuing a part-time job. Hopefully one that's not going to sap all the energy out of myself. Basically, I couldn't work for myself in the evening times or early in the morning because basically I didn't have time. And God, I was so tired and sore in the evenings that there just wasn't nothing I could do. I couldn't do anything. So job with benefits and a paycheck is great. It's great. It's great to have. It's great to know in the morning when you wake up that you got someplace to go and go to work. But it takes 2 jobs in this world to make a living. So until I start making a really good living, I'm going to work 2 jobs. I'm going to work for myself and I'm going to work for somebody else. I'm going out here this morning to take a look at a Campbell Hallsfield gasoline air compressor and see if we can make it run. And we'll get you set up and let you watch. Y'all have a great day. They ain't got no gas in it. Well, it really makes me feel like a jerk to have to charge people for this, but I have to. I have to take care of the expense of me going out to the job site, and it also takes away from me booking calls for somewhere else. Actually, this call didn't even need to be booked. It should have been taken care of by the operator before he even determined that he had problems. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.